Hello, my name is Ryan Zakos with Zakos Realty and Design Group here out of Sarasota, Florida. I'm actually born and raised in Sarasota, and so therefore I feel like I can add some good insight into this topic. The topic we're going to talk about today is the best beach in Sarasota, Florida. I'm going to give you a handful of beaches because I personally can't just choose one. I feel like every beach has its own characteristics and its own personality. First, I'm going to start with Siesta Key. It's probably regarded as the most popular and even often noted as the #1 beach in the United States. Siesta is known for its beautiful white powdery sand and clear blue water. The Siesta sand is actually comprised of 99% quartz, which allows it to stay cool to the touch. I feel like Siesta Key is my favorite spot when wanting to just enjoy the sand and the water, set up a chair, or walk and stroll the beach and enjoy the sunset. The next beach I'm going to talk about is Lido. It's a little bit different in the fact that Lido is right off of St. Armand Circle, and St. Armand Circle is right off of downtown. So it's close to the thick of nightlife, entertainment, stuff like that. You can actually walk from St. Armand Circle to Lido Beach. So it's a great spot if you want to grab dinner, grab an ice cream, grab a drink, and then walk down to the beach, enjoy the sunset. The next beach I'm going to talk about is Venice Beach and Casperson Beach. Casperson Beach is actually the longest beach in Sarasota County, and both are located in the southern part of Sarasota County. Casperson Beach is known for its rocky, picturesque seascape, and both beaches are a short bike ride or car ride to Venice Island, shops, restaurants, cafes, ice cream shops, all that kind of stuff. The next two beaches I want to talk about are Crescent and Turtle Beach. They are both located on the south side of Siesta Key, and because of Siesta Key's popularity, Crescent and Turtle often are a little bit quieter. They're also, what I like about them is that they are a little more natural feeling. They're smaller beaches, and it's a great spot to set up a chair and tuck away for the day. The last three beaches I want to talk about are the keys that are just north of Lido. So we have Longboat Key, which is north of Lido. Then north of that, you have Bradenton Beach, and north of that, Anna Marie Island. These three locations are wonderful spots, beautiful still Gulf Coast sand and water. And what's nice about these, there actually are some restaurants that are located directly on the water. Some of my favorites are the Beach House and the Sandbar, two restaurants where toes are literally in the sand and you can enjoy a nice meal while you're watching the sunset. All these beaches that I mentioned in this video have some great characteristics and their own personality. I'd be curious to hear your thoughts on what are your favorites. I look forward to hearing from you.